dangerous rebar bending machine is operated with precision. The concrete floor is smoothed out with a balancing act. Heat-activated paint is expertly laid for a road marker. Two hand trowels work together for a smooth mortar finish. Concrete is cubed with a series of precise blows. A vertically moving robotic arm smooths out wet plaster. The tail end of a pipe is heated up for a tight fit. A tubular scooping shovel rapidly fills concrete bags. A wire is used to cleanly shave off excess mortar. Mortar loaded onto wood is neatly distributed. A faux brick finish is achieved with a sponge. Careful measurements and cuts render a basket weave finish. Cement is shoveled up to a rooftop with perfect rhythm. A perfect circle is executed with a brake press machine. Home demo is removed with an industrial shop vac. Mortar is poured into the block work with a watering can. A car tire is used to support a brick archway.